Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we have some major news for photography and videography enthusiasts. Sony has just registered a new camera with a wireless certification agency, which indicates a big announcement is on the horizon. And speculation suggests that this could be the highly anticipated Sony A7 V. Given Sony's track record in the mirrorless camera space, this registration signals something exciting coming soon. Sony A7 V. What does this registration mean? When a camera manufacturer like Sony, Canon, or Nikon registers a device with a wireless certification agency, it usually means the product is close to an official announcement. These certifications are necessary for ensuring compliance with wireless connectivity regulations. Historically, once a camera appears in certification listings, it takes about 2 to 3 months before an official unveiling. This means we could see an official announcement for the Sony A7 V as early as March 2025. Sony A7 V release timeline. Sony has maintained a relatively consistent upgrade cycle for its Alpha 7 series cameras. The Sony A7 IV was launched in late 2021, so an update in early 2025 seems logical. If this registered model is indeed the Sony A7 V, the expected launch window falls between March 20th to 25th, 2025. While Sony has not confirmed any details yet, industry leaks, past trends, and advancements in camera technology strongly indicate that this will be the next major release. What can we expect from the Sony A7 V? 1. Sensor upgrades. One of the most anticipated aspects of the Sony A7 V is its image sensor. The A7 IV featured a 33 MP sensor, which was a step up from the A7 III's 24 MP. Could the A7 V push beyond 40 MP? Some reports suggest a new high-resolution sensor that balances detail and low-light performance, possibly borrowing technology from Sony's high-end Alpha 7R lineup. 2. Enhanced autofocus technology. Sony is known for its industry-leading autofocus capabilities, and with AI-powered subject detection advancements, the A7 V is expected to deliver even faster and more precise autofocus. Real-time tracking and improved IAF could make this camera a dream for portrait photographers and videographers alike. 3. Video capabilities. Will we see 8K? The A7 IV already provided outstanding 4K video recording with 10-bit color depth, making it popular among hybrid shooters. However, with competitors integrating 8K recording in more accessible models, Sony might follow suit. If 8K does arrive on the A7 V, it may come with limitations such as short burst recordings or crop modes. Sony will need to address challenges like heat management, processing power, and file sizes if they aim to implement 8K effectively. 4. Design and ergonomics. Sony has continuously refined its camera bodies with each new generation, making them more user-friendly. The A7 IV introduced a deeper grip and improved button layout, and we expect further refinements in the A7 V. A fully articulating LCD screen with higher resolution could be an essential upgrade for content creators who rely on vlogging or self-recording. A higher refresh rate electronic viewfinder could also improve usability for professionals who prefer composing shots through the EVF rather than the LCD screen. Some users hope for a more compact design, but Sony may prioritize ergonomics over portability. 5. Improved battery life. Battery life remains a crucial factor for videographers and photographers who shoot extended sessions. Sony's NP FZ100 battery has been reliable, but any advancements in power efficiency would be welcomed. Firmware updates have helped optimize power management, but we have yet to see if Sony introduces new battery technology in the A7 V. 6. Lens compatibility and new lens announcements. With the introduction of new sensors and processing power, some users may need to upgrade their lenses to maximize the A7 V's capabilities. There are also rumors that Sony is preparing to release a new 50 to 150mm f/2.8 lens, which could be a perfect match for the new camera. This would offer excellent versatility for portrait, event, and wildlife photographers. Should you wait for the Sony A7 V or buy the A7 IV now? This is a big question for many photographers and videographers. The A7 IV remains a fantastic full-frame mirrorless camera, balancing high-quality photo and video features. If you need a camera now, the A7 IV is still an excellent choice. However, if you are someone who always wants the latest technology, it may be worth waiting a few months. Potential factors to consider before making a purchase. Resolution and image quality. If the A7V introduces a higher megapixel sensor, that could be a game changer. Video capabilities. Waiting could be beneficial if you are looking for an 8K recording or a better 4K performance. Autofocus and AI features. If improved subject tracking and AI autofocus matter to you, the A7V will likely be a significant step up. Price considerations. New cameras often come with higher price tags. If budget is a concern, the A7 IV remains an excellent value. When will we hear more? Since this registration was spotted in December 2024, and Sony typically announces products 2 to 3 months after certification, an official launch in March 2025 is highly probable. If we follow Sony's usual teaser campaign strategy, we can expect more leaks, feature confirmations, and possibly an official teaser soon. Final thoughts. While Sony has not officially confirmed the A7 V, all signs indicate that it will be the next major release in their full-frame mirrorless lineup. The wireless certification listing strongly suggests that we are on the verge of an announcement, likely in early 2025. If Sony builds upon the A7 IV success with new sensor technology, improved autofocus, and possibly 8K video, this could be one of the most exciting camera launches of the year. That's all for today's update on the Sony A7 V. What do you think about this rumored camera? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for more in-depth camera updates. Hit the bell icon to stay notified of the latest news in the tech world. See you in the next one.